Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the virtual RAM within your PC on Windows 11. So let's get started right away. Now, if your device has low installed RAM and you are facing issues within various applications that require more memory, then you can still use your hard drive space or the space from your SSD to function as virtual RAM. In order to set this up, right-click on your Start button and then click on System. This will now take you into the System Settings page, from which just click on Advanced System Settings. This will then open up the System Properties. From here, just click on Advanced, and within Performance, click on the Settings button. This will then take you into the Performance Options page. Go ahead and click on Advanced, and now underneath, you will see the Virtual Memory section. You can see how much memory is already allocated from your existing storage device. Click on the Change button if you wish to change this. Now, the page file or the virtual memory size is automatically managed by your PC. You can simply click on this checkbox to disable it so that you can define yourself how much VRAM you would like to set for each of your storage drives. Click on your local disk and then click on Custom Size. From here, you can define how much size you would like to dedicate from this partition. Just enter the initial size as well as the maximum size that you want to set, and then click on the Set button. You will now see the paging file size appear alongside the partition that you just selected. After defining your virtual memory for all of your logical drives, you can click on OK, and you will now be told that you will be required to restart your computer. Just click on the OK button, and now you can restart your computer by clicking on Restart Now, or you may restart later by clicking on the appropriate option. Once you restart your computer, your virtual memory size will be increased based on the values that you entered. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to increase the virtual memory within your Windows 11 PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.